What's happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz, and we've got another smartwatch by VWAR. Now this is the VWAR Watch Ultra 5 Plus, and this is the WhatsApp edition. First time they've actually done a WhatsApp edition smartwatch on their company, but we are here to check it out. Now I've done loads of smartwatches, so if you haven't seen my smartwatch playlist, make sure you check out. Just before I get started, make sure you follow me on one of the social medias above. As always, put up sneak peeks on what to expect and all sorts, and as always, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell notification so upload any video you'll actually be notified. So this is the VWAR Watch Ultra 5 Plus. Now it is 49 millimeters. You can actually use all the features on WhatsApp. I've been told. I've not used it as well so far, so we are going to check that out together in this video today. And there's a lot of upgraded features on here as well, including 3 different AI apps what you can actually use. So in this video today, we'll take a look at the box, we'll take a look at what we get inside of the box, then we'll take a look at the design of the smartwatch, then we'll take a look at some of the features and specifications, and then we'll take a look at the operating system to see what this VWAR Watch Ultra 5 Plus is like. So let's get started. It is the WhatsApp edition VWAR Watch Ultra 5 Plus. As you can see, it actually looks similar to the original, even with the antenna line going around the screen. But we'll be doing a real versus fake, so if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my Allsortzz channel. I've done loads of real versus fake, so make sure you check out my playlist. So let's switch this on. I think it's from the top button right here, and pushing in, you've got hello. It is a liquid glass as well, so please scan the code on your phone and download the M Active Pro app. I will do that. Let's just push in the button there, and it just brings you straight to the screen. So let's take a look. Here you've got your cutouts for your mic, speaker, and spot button here. Taking a look at the back, you've got your sensors with the text around it and buttons for the watch bands, and also real screws as well. You've also got the crown and also the mic cutouts and power button. And if you hold it in, I don't know if it brings up the oh yeah, as you can see here, you've got Christmas flashing lights going daft at the back, but we'll check that out later. So here it is. Let's see how much watch faces we actually get preloaded on here. So there is quite a few, to be honest, and you can put your own custom ones as well, and you can edit a few of the watch faces as well. So look how much watch faces, and also the crown does work. You get a little vibrate, and there's no animation on that one, but there is a few animations on, like for example, there you go, if you tap the screen it will actually change. So let's swipe it down. You got your notifications, swipe it right, split screen, swipe it up will bring your liquid glass apps, shortcut apps as well. And if you swipe it to the left, it'll bring up your sport mode, and you've got loads of sport modes that you can actually choose from, not just these as well. So if you go to the bottom, press plus, look how much sport modes you can actually choose. There's literally over 100 sport modes that you can actually choose, so you're not in the dark when it comes to fitness. So let's push in the supposedly the sport button physical training, open training, you get the animation as well, and here you can actually have your record history and all that stuff. So pushing in the power button, or what's supposed to be the power button, you got your shortcuts, 80% battery, you can also edit. So let's go back. So you got electricity, which means your battery percentage, do not disturb, find phone, theater mode, drainage, about, main menu, brightness. These are all that are actually on there. So if you go on here, you can actually have GPS positioning, you can record on here as well, your voice notes, stopwatch and alarms. So yeah, let's go there. Where's information? So let's see this watch information. Ultra 5 Plus, that's the firmware, model Ultra 3. That is about it. So let's push in it twice and it doesn't do anything. So pushing in the crown will bring up your menu interface. Pushing in twice will bring up the apps that you've actually used as well. So pushing it in, double tap while it's on the menu, you got your second menu interface. So it's only got 2 menu interfaces. So workout, we've already seen that. WhatsApp, we'll check that out last. Notifications, you got your activity. The screen is very sensitive as well. Music. You got your phone, because you can actually make phone calls and receive phone calls. You got your contacts as well. The crown does work. You can actually use the crown if you like. So you got one game on here as well, and it's this dinosaur game. So I think you actually hold it. Oh, there you go. Didn't do that good on the dinosaur game. GPS positioning. You got your mindfulness, timer, weather, blood pressure, blood oxygen. So let's go into blood pressure and let's measure the blood pressure of the air. So it's not actually doing anything while it's on an object. Let's try doing it when it's off an object. 1 second. When it's on an object, sorry. So I'm holding it in onto the screen, onto the box, sorry, to cover the sensors on the back basically, and it should give us a reading because it's not actually yet. So as you can see, this box is 115 or 119, between 115 and 19 blood pressure. That's the pressure of that box. Wow. It's got all these are the same, so you won't get the accurate reading when it comes to blood pressure, blood oxygen, heart rate. You just get Christmas flashing lights going daft at the back. You got your sleep pattern, alarms, calculator, camera as well, so you can control your camera, my card. You can actually put your WeChat, QQ, Skype, Facebook, X, WhatsApp, Line, Instagram. So you got loads of social media where you can add your information on there. It has got NFC as well, so you can actually put a payment on there of any of these, which is good. PayPal is what we use. Find phone, flashlight, which doesn't do anything. Calendar, you can change the theme on it as well. So that's basically the menu interface, what you change. Voice recorder, which I showed you earlier. ECG, which I don't think works properly. App Store, so you can download a few apps on here. Look how many apps you can actually download. That's cool. Compass, book, thermometer. Now here are the 3 AIs you can actually use. You can use ChatGPT, Grok 4, I've never heard of that, or DeepSeek. Schedule, that's a new one. Language, let's see how much languages it's got. It's got quite a few languages already on here. Connect to your phone, noise, power off, AI translation, and you've got a few social media apps at the bottom. Look how many you got. Look at that. Prevention mode as well. No idea what that is. So let's go into settings. So you can put your own information on here if you like. Notifications, you can toggle whichever notifications you want on and off. Universal, about, return to watch, nightstand mode, NFC. So this device will reboot. No, forget that. Oh, NFC one. There you go. It's compatible with a few thingy. Storage. You have got a bit of storage on there, as you saw in the information earlier, how much storage it's got. Restore factory settings, power off, do not disturb mode, brightness, wrist to wake, dynamic island, always on display as well. So you have got lots of features, and the operating system is really smooth as well. There's no lags, really nice touch sensitivity as well. Gesture control, style, which we saw earlier, sound and touch. Load of settings in there. Control center, you got your password, you can put password on it. Key definitions, which is this button here, workout, you can actually change it to any of these apps you'd like to. Battery 79%, activity, nightstand mode, time settings, date, So yeah, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to connect it to the app and connect it to my phone, and then we're going to try out this new WhatsApp feature to see if we can actually talk between WhatsApp, reply and receive. So let's check that out and connect it to the app. It's mActive Pro we need to download. Right, mActive Pro is downloaded. Let's put my Bluetooth on, click the app. Let's see if we have any, let's see, IC, we'll do that. Visitors login. Oh yes, we'll visitors login there. You can actually put your details on, which we'll just do to any. Allow notifications, yes. Do not consent. Bluetooth permission, yes, turn on while using the allow this time, allow to contact position nearby. Okay, so we are in. Let's go to device, add a device, hopefully Samsung 7 series, no idea, Ultra 5, and hopefully it's connected. So swiping it down or swiping it up, or even going here, you'll actually see that it's actually green on the phone, so that means it's actually connected. So let's see the watch face market, because apparently there's over 1,000 watch faces that you can actually download on here. There's over 1,000. You can put your own custom ones on. There's literally loads. Some you have to pay for, some are actually free. So let's go back there. Let's go into you can actually put more games on here as well. Apps market. So here are some of the apps you can download. It's already got a game downloaded on here, the Little Dinosaur, that's what it's actually called. So let's go back. You got message notifications. I'll scroll back on there. You can actually choose your heart rate monitor and find watch, raise to wake, and all that stuff. So you got games there as well. You've also got sport, and you got home, where all the information gets synced straight from your smartwatch to your smartphone. You can put your own information on as well, and go into settings, it just goes there. So let's see this WhatsApp. So let's go into WhatsApp and let's send a message and see if we can actually reply as well. Right, I've sent a message and we've got it on there. Please connect to the obtain. All right, so I figured it out. Basically, you have to go into, where is it? Is it my card? Go into WhatsApp, and it actually tells you on how to actually connect this app and phone to the smartwatch itself. So you got to go into smartwatch, go into WhatsApp itself, add a contact, scan the QR code, and it'll get synced straight to the phone. So that's how you do it if you are wanting to know. So let's go back into the app and let's send a message to my Allsortzz phone, and hopefully we should get it. It's vibrated on there. So as you can see here, Allsortzz message, Allsortzz. So let's send a message. Hello, and make sure you subscribe to Allsortzz. That's a voice note actually, so you can actually, if that works, you can send voice notes. It's loading, taking its time. See if it actually works. So it's not a voice note, it's a voice note where it actually gets your voice and just makes it as a text, so you can actually send it. And there we go. I've actually got it on my phone. Look at that. Make sure you subscribe. So you can actually do a quick reply. I've arrived. What's that one? Cancel that. Emojis. You can't do custom though. You can't do custom reply backs. Which one is this one? Oh, so that's a voice note. Yeah, voice note is here. Which one is this one? See, so yeah, you can actually send voice notes, but you can't make a custom. You can't do a custom like a message cancel that. I don't know if you can actually, no, you can't do a custom message, it's just a quick reply, I'm on the way, or stuff like that. Maybe you'll be able to do it in the future updates, but at the moment you can't. So let's see what the AI apps you can actually use on here. So you've got DeepSeek or ChatGPT. What's the best YouTube channel on YouTube? Let's see if ChatGPT knows. It is connected to my phone, so it will take a little bit of time, but you do have it on your wrist. When you have this smartwatch, you can choose between 3 different AI apps as well. I was waiting literally a minute or two, but that didn't work. So let's try DeepSeek now. What is the best YouTube channel on YouTube? Let's see how long this one takes. I was waiting just over a minute, but you know, as you know, it's not really fast, but you might have to wait a little bit longer, but hopefully it still does work. Now we're trying this DeepSeek. Let's see if that takes longer or even less. Right, they're actually taking the time, so I'll probably make a short video on that. Let's try translation English to let's try Espanol. Make sure you subscribe to Allsortzz on YouTube. Right, let's see how long this translation one takes. Hopefully this one will work and take less time. It's actually said, please provide more detailed description of the problem. Well, there is no problem, so we'll just leave it as that. But here we have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is the VWAR Watch Ultra 5 Plus. Loads of new features, very good operating system, much smoother as well, much faster except for the AI apps. And last of all, the WhatsApp edition, which means you can actually connect your WhatsApp, send emojis, send voice notes, and send messages to and fro your friends, who you ever got added. So yeah, overall, what do you think of the smartwatch? Let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you again for another video.